Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to log into your XTrade account using the mobile app, the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the XTrade application on your device, and once you're inside the main home page of XTrade, go ahead and tap on the login button at the top left corner, and then enter your email address and password in the text box. If you've previously logged in or signed up from Facebook, Google, or Apple, you can do the same here. Since I created an account with email and password option, I'm just going to go ahead and type in my valid email address at the top associated with the account. Once done, head over to the password field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember the password, tap the forgot password link and follow through the reset process. Finally, click the login button and you'll be able to log into your XTrade account using the mobile app. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.